use and instead of but language to signal and encourage collaboration instead of opposing views, or when you want to say no with a softer language. Replace but with and in statements. Yes, but becomes yes, and. I hear you, but I can't becomes I hear you, and I can't. What comes before the and is acknowledged. What comes after is your message. You don't necessarily need the but. It is often implicit. You can also repeat a thought from the other person and add it on with a and I think. For example, imagine your boss gives you feedback and starts with, "You have a fantastic attitude, but the quality of your work is poor." You're gonna feel great until you hear that but. At that point, you're gonna disregard the compliment that came before. You're gonna completely erase that from your mind. Compare that with, "You have a fantastic attitude, and with a little bit more work on quality, you can become really exceptional." That message has another tone. The first one signals clear disapproval. The second one still delivers the message that quality could improve, but it signals approval and a lot more collaboration.